FIFA World Cup effect. It's finally here. We're about a couple weeks into the FIFA World Cup. You know, it's being hosted here in Canada, in America, and in Mexico. But it's even closer to home for me, because I'm here in Vancouver and there are games being hosted here at BC Place in Vancouver, here in Canada. And so there's a lot of excitement right now with the World Cup. Leading up to the World Cup, there was very little hype about it, honestly, or at least within my circle of friends and colleagues and things like that. But now that it's been, a week in, and even like a couple of days leading up to the World Cup, that's when the hype started building and building and building. Now, how has that affected, like I'm in such a unique position compared to others, where I work on FC, so I work on a football game. So how does that like affect, someone who's developing a game that relates to soccer and football? So first off, again, this is all my personal opinion. This does not reflect my employer. Just want to make sure I throw that out there. Now, for colleagues and friends who are living downtown right now, it's been an absolute gong show for them. Getting in and out of downtown has been a complete hassle for them. There's just lots of road closures. If there's an actual game night, they've even mentioned the night before, there'd be like the fans from those countries who are just partying all night, and it's been an absolute ruckus. So I have noticed, colleagues and stuff like that who, if there's like a game day at BC Place at the stadium here, during a work day, they've had to actually like work from home because just getting in and out of downtown has been a challenge for them. Now, on a more personal note, this is the most invested I feel I've been in a World Cup in a very, very long time. And I think what has helped is the fact that I do work on FC. I work on a football, soccer related game. So it's hard not to, at a distance, be somewhat connected to it. We have this wicked setup where we have like a TV and, we have the game on, and a lot of our surrounding neighbor pods will also come by, visit, sit down on our couches, chairs, and we'll just gather and just watch the games together. Switching back to more personal side of things, in terms of excitement and hype and all that stuff, even my kids and my nephews, you know, they're more excited about soccer just in general. Like, this is probably the first time that they've been excited about it. Even taking out soccer nets and taking out the soccer balls and playing in the background in neighborhoods and things like that. Like, it's been a lot of that the past few days. And then at work, for those who might not know, we have a soccer field at work, and there's a soccer league at our work. And again, because of the World Cup, everybody's just so much more excited to jump on and play more soccer, like at work. And then we also have a colleague, a really competitive but just awesome colleague who's started up a fantasy pool, where, a bunch of us have joined in and we're picking teams of who we think are going to win the matches. And there's a fun little prize at the end of it. We've all just been much more invested. And now every single day I'm like checking the leaderboards to see if I'm like climbing up the fantasy boards. And then I even found myself the past few days launching up FC 26, just playing the game and, learning the players and trying to collect more players for my ultimate team and things like that. And it's been great to kind of see the game that I helped make, how the live service has been going, what the events are happening during the World Cup. You know, because we don't have the license for FIFA, just seeing how we've tried to do like an international event in our game. Now, some of you might be asking, how has this affected like our productivity at work? And I'd be lying to you if I told you that our productivity has been 100%. It definitely has not been 100%. We are taking a slight hit in productivity for sure, but it's okay because there are pros to what is coming out of the World Cup for our team. Because of all these fun little things that are happening around our team and our studio, around the World Cup and the city, there's a lot more bonding with your workers and your colleagues that is happening right now. In my opinion, I also feel like team culture has gone up in terms of being around the World Cup. And I think that the memories that we are creating as a team, the bonds that we're shaping, like that's priceless. And I feel like investing that time in the team, doing these things together, allowing the team to showcase, their love for football and being around it, learning it, and the people who don't know much about football and soccer, learning more about it, I think that really helps for our future. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to share so far how the FIFA World Cup has affected kind of me personally and how that's been affecting us, me personally at work as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys have all been enjoying the World Cup, and let me know in the comments down below how it's been affecting your teams and who you think is going to win the World Cup. Take care.